Hello, I am Esther. Today I'm going to cook one of the most known Italian dish, Ragù alla Bolognese, also known around the world as just Bolognese. The recipe I'm going to cook is a little different from the original because I'm using sausage instead of pancetta and I don't use milk. The ingredients are 500 grams of ground beef and pork meat, 1 sausage, some tomato puree, and half a glass of white wine. Some butter, extra virgin olive oil, a small onion, a carrot, and some celery chopped. Peel and crumble the sausage and mix it with the ground meat. Put a pot on the stove and add the butter, the olive oil, and the vegetables. Fry gently in low heat until the soffritto will be lightly brown. Remember to stir often so that the soffritto will not burn. This is the base of a lot of Italian dishes. Now raise the flame and add the meat. The meat must be well done before adding the wine. Now add the wine and let it evaporate. Add the tomato and some water that you will use to rinse the bottle. Then season with salt and pepper. Stir as always. If you like it, add 2 leaves of sage. Now lower the flame and let it cook for at least 2 hours. You have to cook very slowly and to evaporate most of the water. You can use ragù to season a lasagna or gnocchi or homemade pasta, every kind of made pasta, or just as I did some mezzi rigatoni or any kind of pasta you like. Put some Parmigiano Reggiano on top if you like it and enjoy your meal. Bye!